Hi foodies, welcome back to Classmic Kitchenette by Nikita Jain. Hi everyone, so today's recipe is gonna be very unique and different, and it's very yummy to have. So let's begin it. Snack balls that will be ready in hardly 10 to 15 minutes. So let's prepare it. Foremost, we will take poha or flattened rice in a bowl around 1 cup, and we will wash it with water 3 to 4 times. And after rinsing the water, you can see they become soft already. Now in this, I'm gonna add 1 cup of suji or semolina. Preferably, I'm taking the fine semolina. Written recipe is available in the end of the video. You can note from there. Now in this, we're gonna add around a 3/4 cup of curd, normal curd or dahi in this, and gonna mix everything very well so that they will form a dough. As you keep moving your hands and mixing them, they will form a dough very easily because suji will also get mixed up with the curd very well. If you feel like it's not getting mixed, then you can pour some water in this. Like I have only about 1 or 2 spoons of water is required now, not more than that. You will keep mixing and it will form a dough very easily. Look, this one. Now in this, I'm gonna add a little bit of salt. Now mix everything well. Both poha and suji is a good source of protein and fiber, and you can have it in breakfast daily. It's not gonna harm you anyway. After combining everything well, we're gonna leave this mixture to rest for 5 minutes. Now we will take a plate and grease it very well with oil, and I am using a steamer to prepare my recipe. After greasing the plate, I'm gonna take the mixture that we prepared. Now with your clean hands, take a small portion of the mixture and make a roll like this I'm showing. Prepare all the same balls as shown. You can adjust the size or can prepare in small portions also. Now it's time to steam them all. After a few time it's ready. I have steamed them for 15 minutes, and you can see when I'm putting a toothpick in this and it's coming clean, that means it's ready. Look how soft and spongy it looks. It's really yummy to have. Now we are going to prepare a tadka for it. For that, I'm taking a 1 tablespoon of oil in which I'm going to add all type of khada masala you have, like we have mustard seed, sesame seed, green chilies, curry leaves, and some chana dal just for flavor. It's just optional. Rest all the tempering will give a blast of flavors in your mouth, so do add them. We have to roast this khada masala till they change the color or start giving an aroma. So until it is done, we're gonna stir it well. The quantity required of this masalas is already mentioned in the last of the video. Please do check. Well, hereby I am adding a bit of hing or a soy fatida. Just for flavor, it's optional. You can, if you like this, then you can add them. Flame should be low to medium. You can see green chilies have changed their color. That means it's time to add the masalas. So hereby I am using red chili powder. It's a degi one, which is less spicy. After that, I added a coriander powder or dhania powder, and I'm going to mix them, and some garam masala also I have added. That's all completely option. And in the last, we will add our balls that we prepared and steamed, and gonna mix everything very well so the masala will completely get in combined. And in the last, we will add some salt for taste. You can see the recipe here and note down please. And our delicious snack balls are ready. If a guest is coming, you can prepare it in no time. Do prepare this and let me know how's it. So do like, share and subscribe to my channel. It's not only support me but also encourages me to prepare more recipes for you. Bye bye. Have a nice day.